Edu Scope Planet. Today we will learn about the chapter Where to Look From. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings looked different. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawings is right? Yes, it was right. Now see, this is the top view of a real car. Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? The left table is from the side and the right one from the top. Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. The pressure cooker, the sandal, the melon and the cupboard have their top view. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? The teacher is standing in front of the student. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Staircase has to be looked upon from the side. This staircase has to be looked upon from the top. Table has to be seen from the top. Chair has to be seen from the side. Pencil has to be seen from top and the bars has to be seen from side. Draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Can you understand what are these pictures? Yes, you are right. This is a top view of a train. This is a top view of an umbrella and top view of a road. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Now we must learn about basic lines and shapes. This is the picture of a straight line. This is also the picture of a straight line. This is the picture of a zigzag line. This is the picture of dotted line. This is the picture of dashed line. This is the picture of curved line. This is the picture of wavy line. This is the picture of loopy line. This is the picture of spiral line. This is the picture of parallel line. Now look at this picture. There are some shapes. You should know these shapes properly. First one is square. Second, circle. Third one is triangle. Next one is called oval shape. And the last one is called rectangle. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Now, I'm sure you can easily do that because you have a clear concept of rectangle, square, oval, triangle, everything. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Now, after doing with a mirror, you can find the first one is a butterfly, second one is diya, and third one is the face of a cat, and fourth one is a star, and the last one is fish. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? First one is a caterpillar. No, we can't do that. Second one is a cow. No, here also we cannot do that. And the third one is national flag. No, here also we cannot do that. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Now the first one is the picture of a guitar. If you divide it into 2 halves, you cannot find 2 similar halves. Second one is the picture of a banana. If you divide it into 2 parts, you cannot find 2 similar halves. And the third one is mango. Here also you cannot do that. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into 2 similar halves? The first one is a comb. Yes, you can do it. Next is envelope. That also you can do it. Third one is number 8. Yes, you can do it. Then the fourth one is a scissor. You can do it. Then a button. Yes, that also you can do. Next one is kettle. No, you cannot divide into 2 equal halves. Then a pencil. You can do it. Then a cup, which you cannot do it. Then a crown. Yes, you can do it. Then a frog. Yes, you can do it. Then a bell. That also you can do it. Then you cannot do it. Then airplane. You can do it. Then no, you cannot do it. Then number 2, you cannot divide it into 2 equal halves. Then spectacle. Yes, you can divide it. Then brief. You can divide it. Then iron. No, you cannot do it. Then umbrella. No, you cannot do it. And the last one is clock. No, you cannot do it. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Look at these pictures properly. The first one is A. Second one is half of C. And third one is half of H. And fourth one is half of U. And fifth one is half of B. And the last one is half of K. Using such letters, can you also make words which have similar halves? Guess the words by looking at their halves. First one, how. Second one, wax. Third one, cooked. And the last one, dice.